Don't mind me. I wasn't a bitch. I didn't cry. Welcome back to my channel, Say It's Trey's. I am Trey, and if you are new to my channel, so am I. So please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff down below. Now, if you have been stuck under a rock or you've been off the grid for a minute, you might not have known, but the world's been closed down for a while and it's starting to open back up. Coronavirus, COVID-19, big Rona's, what I call her, has pretty much shut us down for most of the year so far. But everybody is starting to open back up very slowly. I live in Illinois. I am from Chicago, but I live down at the bottom of the state. I am tired of looking like a ragamuffin. I haven't had my hair done since February. I have not had my eyebrows done since March. My underarms done since March. And I don't even want to hear people like, well, why you just didn't get a razor? You get a razor. I'm not getting no razors. I know my skin is very sensitive. Okay. I haven't got my JJ waxed in a while, so it looks like we went back in time to 1970. Damn! Okay. But anyways, I am on a mission to go ahead and turn Chewbacca back into Trey, because I don't know where she went, because this ain't her at the moment. I haven't had my nails done since March 13th. It has been 4 months since I've had my nails done. 4 months. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do y'all see this? 4 months. So I'm going to get my nails done today, and I'm super happy and super excited because, again, I have not had my nails done in 4 months. Okay. Now, normally I would be super extra, but since I have repairs that need to be done, I'm just gonna go and make sure that my nails are good, sound, sturdy, but baby, honey, let me tell you, when these 2 weeks go by and I go back to get my nails done again, I'm getting everything. Glow in the dark, marble, big stones, little stones, obtuse, rubber goose, green mousse, guava juice, giant snake, birthday cake, large fries, chocolate shake. Ah! But anyways, I'm not going to be extra this time. But next time, I definitely am going to be extra because it's been 4 months. And I've been, like I said, I've been walking around looking like a ragamuffin. So nails first, and then I'm going to go get my hair done. And let's see what else. I'm going to go get me a wax, get my eyebrows done, maybe give me a facial or something. Like I said, on my way to get my nails done. What up, everybody? So it is early. It is 6:55 a.m. So here are my nails from my nail appointment. They are so plain Jane from what I'm used to getting done. I now have old lady nails to match my old lady fingers and hands. 2 weeks. Uno, dos, two. Extra. That's all it's gonna be. So I'm not even worried about it. But I am at my hair appointment now. I don't know why I made an appointment for 7 a.m. but I'm just waiting for her to get here. I'm tired, y'all. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning. I went on my walk. I did my exercise. Washed my hair, blow dried it, and then I had to drive 40 minutes to get over here across the border. So me and my plain Jane nails are sitting here waiting now. I am getting, what am I getting done? I am getting, I know it's not what I'm going to say, what I'm thinking of. I am getting crochets. I'm getting crochet locks. I want to say croquette so bad, but I know it's not croquette. I'm getting crochet locks. Croquette is salmon, or however you say it. But I'm not getting food, even though I am hungry. Last time I talked to y'all, I was in the car going to get my hair done. Well, as you can see, my hair has been done. It has. But I'm gonna insert a little video so that you can see how long they actually are, because where I'm sitting at right now, you really can't tell. But I do like my hair. But today is Sunday. It's Sabbath day. It's a good day. It's nice outside. My house is quiet. You know. But today I'm gonna get a wax. And look, y'all, I'm scared. I have never been scared to get a wax before. But let me tell y'all what happened. I got a wax in January. Now, mind you, I normally get a wax once a month, around the same time every single month. I got a wax in January. February, I couldn't get a wax because I was never home in February long enough to even make an appointment. I think I might have been home 4 days total in February. So when I got back home in March, I thought I was gonna go ahead and make an appointment. But at this point, Big Rona had kicked in and they were shutting it down. I got home March 13th. I had called and made an appointment for not the next week, but the week after next. And then at that point, Illinois was just completely shut down. They were not servicing anyone. So February, March, April, May, June. Woo, it has been a minute. So I'm a little nervous. I know that it's only gonna sting a little bit, but it's more strips that's gonna have to be ripped because it's more hair that's there that wasn't there before. So I'm a little nervous. I'm hungry. Okay, I'm hungry too, but I'm not gonna eat anything until I get this done. Torture. It's not torture. It's not torture. It's just I'm a little nervous because it's just been a minute. It's been a long minute. Okay, so I have made it to European Wax Center. I have to put on a mask before going in. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hi. I have an appointment with Jillian at 1:30. Trey.
We're number 4 today.
Number 4. Okay, so I feel like I just went through a torture process. I think my blood temperature got high. My body temperature definitely got high. When you haven't got a wax in a long time, that's what happens. It feels like torture, but it's not torture, because as long as you do it on a regular basis, I don't want to scare anybody who's never had a wax before and thinking about going to get one. I feel like personally it's better for the area that you're getting waxed because it's more smoother and the hair grows back finer and lighter. And then every time you get a new wax, the wax gets easier and easier. I feel like I'm starting over because I just haven't had one in so long. So don't mind me. I wasn't a bitch. I didn't cry. I wanted to though. I did. I wanted to cry. But my underarms, honey, they is smooth. Yes. My vajayjay is smooth. I am so happy that I got my wax done because everything is so smooth now. Grabbing all of my stuff so I can get ready to leave. It is eyebrow time because these eyebrows need to be done. Okay. It's like a 30-minute drive, so I don't want to be late. Always drop my keys. God Dang it. Keys in hand. And I'm out. Is back. I don't have no beard no more. I don't have no mustache no more. My face is a little red because I did dermaplaning, and it's done with a blade. But honey, baby, my skin is smooth. And it feels really good. I am a little red because, you know, I just got a facial. But, you know, that will clear up. Okay, let me go because I have to pee and I'm hungry. As usual.